Yo, what up everybody, it's your boy Frenchiie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to hard reset your iPhone 12. This works on any iPhone 12 models, so if you have any different models, this is the video for you. But before we get into the video, I have a giveaway for an iPhone 11. All you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, drop a like on the video, and leave a comment down below. The giveaway winner will be announced once I hit 50,000 subscribers. So the faster I hit that, the faster one of you will win the iPhone 11. So spread the word and get more people to subscribe for a better chance to win the iPhone 11. I hope one of you guys win it, and let's get right back into the video. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do is push the volume button up, down, hold the lock button. Continue to hold the lock button until your phone completely turns off. Once your phone completely turns off and the Apple logo pops up, you can then let go. If you guys need any other assistance on any other iPhone video, shoot me a comment down below. I'll try to get back to you guys as soon as possible, or message me on Instagram. I'm always open to helping people out. This should take about 15 seconds, no longer than that. And there you guys go. Your iPhone 12 has been hard resetted.